Hi, Forex newbies. Welcome to the bonus video. In the last lecture, we show you a few rules of Forex trading. In here, we want to teach you how to write a good Forex trading plan. Basically, there are 5 steps we want to share with you. Step number 1, analyze. Analyze a currency pair. See if a certain position meets the potential profit is more than 5 times potential loss criteria. If it does, consider proceeding. If not, do not proceed. Step number 2, prepare. This is where we need to utilize proper risk and position management. Let's say Lisa wants to place an order to long Euro to USD currency pair with a limit price of 1.1500, a take profit of 1.2100, and a stop loss of 1.1400. According to take profit and stop loss, she actually meets the criteria of maximum potential profit more than 5 times her potential loss. The next thing she needs to decide is the loss size to open. Based on our risk management lesson, we need to set a maximum loss per trade, and for beginner, we recommend a risk of no more than 2%. So if Lisa has $10,000 balance in her account, this will give her a $200 maximum loss. And accordingly, she can open 2 mini lots. How do we arrive at this number? Here's the calculation. The question is she ready to place the order? The answer is not yet. There's one more thing she needs to check. That is how many positions she's already have in her account. She must check to see if this order will violate the position management rule that we discussed in lesson number 9. If she has already no room to open up new positions, she should not proceed with the trade. The next step is to place orders. Place all 3 orders together into the system. Your limit price order, your take profit order, and your stop loss order. They should be placed together at the same time. Remember from our previous lesson where we talked about market and limit order and what's the benefit of limit order? Here is why. Limit order allows us to plan ahead and place the order into the system ahead of time. Step number 4, list potential outcomes. If the order never gets executed, then move on and make other plans. But if it does, what should we do next? We should check and see what are the possible outcomes. Now, let's take a look at the possible outcomes of Lisa's situation. If Lisa's order gets executed, there are basically 3 possible outcomes. The first or the worst scenario is that the currency pair she wants to long does not go up, and it hits her stop loss, so she loses $200, which is her maximum loss. In the second scenario, the currency pair does not hit her stop loss and it goes up. When the current market price goes higher than her cost, she starts to move her stop loss line upward gradually, depending on how quickly the current market price goes. She has to leave some room to let the currency pair fluctuates, otherwise she might end up losing or closing the position too soon. When she moves her stop loss line past her cost, the stop loss will no longer be stop loss and instead it becomes take profit. In this scenario, the possible loss or profit will range from less than negative $200 to $1,200. The last scenario, or the best scenario, is that the currency pair goes strongly upward and the potential upward movement might even be bigger than 600 pips. In that case, Lisa could gradually move the upper take profit line upward as well. In that case, her potential profit will be greater than $1,200. The last step is to summarize your trade. Write down what you learned from this trade in your trading log. What did you do good? What did you do wrong? What could you have done better? Whatever that can help you improve, you should write it down and learn it in the future. Remember, as Forex trader, we need to be patient. There are tons of opportunities in the market and there's no need to take high risk in the hopes of win big. Start with small loss size. This way you can minimize your risk. Keep learning, keep writing your trading log. Always remember to plan your trade. Continue your journey with Market Newbie. Find us on www.marketnewbie.com, our Facebook page, as well as on our Instagram page. Stay connected. Happy trading!